welcome to Hemmings Garage. My name is Junior Nevison. I've been working away here, getting our little Model B up and running. We've got our 40 Buick that's going to be coming up on deck here pretty soon. We've got the 36 tow truck going, been working on the A100 shop truck on the side. Today, I think is a good day to work on a little mini bike. I have no idea the make or the model, but let's get it over on the bench, figure it out, see if we can get this running, have a little fun. Get this up on blocks. Did I say 36 tow truck? That's a 34 Ford tow truck, not a 36. That's nicer than most of the fuel tanks in here. Whoever emptied this did me a wonderful favor. Oh, only a little bit. Should probably take this off the table so I don't make a mess. Oh, did a little work on the headset there. Let's give it a shot. Oh, not a lot of compression. It fired. Did not expect that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Little choke. We got some burbles. We got a runner. We have a sticky clutch. So you obviously saw and heard that the clutch is engaging itself way too early and chattering. So I'm going to pull this off and see what's going on. Might be missing a spring, or the springs are wore out and it's engaging at too low of an RPM, which will just sit there and burn the clutch up and get it excessive. Doesn't appear to be in awful shape. You can actually see the contact patches it was making as it engages there, and how these work. There's one spring that sits in a recess of each individual shoe, and centrifugal force, as the RPMs pick up, the clutches spring out. And when they spring out, they engage on the clutch hub, which in turn drives the chain, and off you go. Well, I think it just might have been the rust that was built up in there. It's not this, it may be that the idle is just set a little too high on the engine. Checking to see the sprocket run out here is pretty bad. Got a little bit of a bend to it. That should work for our purposes. Hopefully don't need choke. Gonna need some choke. Ah! Okay, so this is not dangerous.
Don't like my bad butt. Gotta get real careful of that.
Yeah. Well, it runs.
Oh, that thing's a riot.
So obviously we got the little Piglet running. Surprise, surprise. It's really sketchy. It needs a little bit more work. Don't know if we'll get to it, but we had a little bit of fun today. Thank you for joining us. Please stay tuned. Thanks for watching.